guys, it's really quiet. How should I do it? I don't know. How would I do it? 6 minutes. It. So it's hot. It.
So this is the time that we have to work on these together. So you guys can ask whatever question that you answer.
You.
Say what you need to understand. While we're here in this group today. Okay. So, for example, Sophia realized that she did not have an introduction paragraph. So now she just learned how to make the introduction paragraph. You know she needs a hook, and she needs to answer the question and tell when it happened, all in her first paragraph.
What do you
The computer's not working.
think you need to
My kid asked me to give up on.